going on? I got a request last week from YouTube user YOJOPimp, and he wanted me to do a cold start video on all of my lawn equipment. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to start out my pride and joy, the Lawn Boy 7260G Deluxe, 21-inch deck. It's got the D409 engine, and yeah, this one has ran since Monday. And today's Friday, the beginning of the long weekend, so we're going to see if this thing will start. Turn the gas on. Pretty sure it's got gas in it. Yeah, full tank. I topped it up there last week. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to give this one 5 primes. We'll see if it starts. Not bad for an old 1980. Now we're going on to the newer one, my the 2000 Lawn Boy 22261 commercial. Been having a lot of problems with this one lately. The shifter here broke, so I can only keep it in second gear, but that's good enough for me. I don't really need to go that fast. This one I just used, it hasn't ran for a week, so we're gonna turn the fuel on. This one, it's got a shut-off problem. I don't know what it is. The metal's touching the ground, but it won't shut off at high throttle. You gotta turn it down low and then release the bail. And I think it's got an exhaust leak too, because it's kind of loud and it's blowing out smoke through back here. So I have to look into that. So I'm gonna prime this one a bunch of times because this one's a bit hard to start. And I'm going to put it on choke. And we'll use our Lawn Boy 7260G for our camera tripod. So let's see. I don't know what's wrong, it rattles. Hey, it shut off. That's shocking. Okay, we're going to move on to the Stihl BG55 leaf blower. This one has ran since last week. We're going to turn it on. I put the choke on. I'm going to prime it 5 times. Okay, let's see. Oh, fired. There we go. Not bad. That thing just turned a year old a couple months ago. We're going to move on to our older weed eater. This is the Weed Eater GTI 15 I trash picked a couple years ago. This one hasn't ran for over a month. I haven't used it that much. I better check to see if it has gas in it. I don't even know. Yeah, enough it should start. So this one's only got a manual choke, so hey, this Weed Eater isn't too bad for a camera tripod. Let's see if this one starts. Hey, it fired. Uh-oh. This one's always been hard to start. You know what? We'll come back to this one later. We'll start the good one, the GTI. Ah, damn it. We'll start Weed Eater GTI 19, my good one. So this one's only a choke too. Alright, let's see. running last week, I think. You'd almost think these things are camera shy. There we go. See the runner now. This one's got the clutch. Let's see. Ah, it's stalled. Oh well. We'll try to start this one now. I just picked this up from my neighbor a couple months ago. This is a Homelight HLT 15. It's not the best weed eater, but it does a good job. So this one's got the choke and the primer. I'm going to prime this one 5 times. It has been running a couple weeks. And I don't know if this one will start because it's got a leaky gas tank. So, but it appears to have gas in it. So let's see if this one will start. Fired. Actually started. Vibrates like crazy. Shut her off. Okay, let's try to start this one again. I think the problem with this one, it hasn't ran in a long time, so I'm gonna try. I think it's flooded, so. Okay. Hey, it's firing. There. Almost stopped. There. This one runs really bad. I don't know what. I think it might be too old. Ah, it's stalled. Okay. This one hasn't run in a while, so I'm gonna keep it running for a bit. Maybe I'll put some fresh gas in it. Oh well. But the rest started though. So there you go, YOJOPimp, and once I get the snowblower out of storage, I'll start that too. So until next time.